Alright, so here's a quick tutorial on how you can add a negative effect to a character in your videos. So firstly, open up your video in the SYN-FX app, then we're going to tap the track with the character in it, and we're going to click dupe down. So this basically takes the video clip and duplicates it down to another layer. Now we're going to tap on the overlay clip, and we're going to select remove background. And that basically separates the character from the background. If you want to make sure it's working, you can tap this matte only, and this shows you the mask. So the white areas are the ones which are going to be visible on the overlay clip, and the black ones are going to be transparent. Okay, so now we can just hit apply, and basically if you double tap on the second clip, which has the character, the overlay one, and that's going to take you into the effects for that clip. Now you can tap effects here, and let's search for negative, and there you go. So basically now we've isolated the character and applied a negative effect to it. And if you want like an animated one, you can search for scanner. So this one, it does a negative effect with some animation. So there you go. That's it. This is the SYN-FX app. Try it out and let us know what you think. And thank you for watching.